Welcome to Nikki Fashions. Pink can make you look elegant, polished, and expensive, or it can do the complete opposite. The difference? Tiny styling mistakes most people don't even realize they're making. Today, I'm breaking down the biggest pink styling mistakes, and exactly how to fix them so you always look put together. Welcome back to the Pink series. We've covered combos, shades, skin tones, and capsule wardrobes. So now it's time to refine everything by avoiding the mistakes that instantly downgrade your outfit. Let's get into it. Mistake 1. Wearing the wrong shade. This is the biggest one. Choosing a pink that doesn't suit your skin tone. Problem. Makes you look washed out, dull, or overly harsh. Fix. Match your pink to your undertone. Soft pinks for subtle elegance, bold pinks for contrast and impact. Quick tip. If your face looks brighter in natural light, you've found the right shade. Mistake 2. Too much pink. Head to toe pink can easily go from chic to overwhelming. Problem. Looks costume-like or overly loud. Fix. Break it up with neutrals, white, beige, black, camel, or denim. Example. Pink blazer plus white trousers equals balanced and refined. Mistake 3. Cheap-looking fabrics. Fabric can make or break pink, especially lighter shades. Problem. Thin, shiny, or wrinkled fabrics look inexpensive. Fix. Choose structured or high-quality materials. Cotton, wool blends, satin with weight. Rule. If it looks flimsy on the hanger, it will look cheap on you. Mistake 4. Overstyling. Too many accessories can ruin even the best outfit. Problem. Competes with the color, looks cluttered. Fix. Competes with the color, looks cluttered. Keep it minimal. Let pink be the statement. Example. Pink dress plus simple gold jewelry equals effortless elegance. Mistake 5. Ignoring fit. Even the perfect pink won't save a bad fit. Problem. Be too tight or too baggy equals unpolished. Fix. Tailoring is everything. Clean lines instantly elevate your look. Tip. Structured pieces always look more expensive than shapeless ones. Mistake 6. Wrong color pairings. Pairing pink with the wrong colors can throw everything off. Problem. Clashing or overly playful combinations. Fix. Stick to proven pairings. Pink plus white equals clean. Pink plus camel equals rich. Pink plus black equals powerful. Pink plus denim equals casual chic. Mistake 7. Ignoring occasion. Not every pink works for every setting. Problem. Wearing bold pink in formal settings, or soft pink where impact is needed. Fix. Match the intensity of pink to the occasion. Example. Soft pink for daytime, bold pink for evenings or events. Let's quickly recap. Avoid these to always look polished. Wrong shade. Too much pink. Cheap fabrics. Over accessorizing. Poor fit. Bad color combos. Wrong occasion. Screenshot this. You'll use it every time you style pink. Now you know, looking expensive in pink isn't about the color, it's about how you wear it. Which mistake have you been making without realizing? Be honest. I want to know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know if you want me to do this series for other colors too. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Stay stylish.